SY Sublime, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video. I just bought a Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system, and this of course is my favorite beverage, or one of my beverages. Today I'm drinking a shandy, which is pretty much beer and 7-Up. It's watered down. I just don't feel like drinking a full strength beer today, but anyway. So this is the Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system, and it's the IQ one, which it's supposed to be actually really smart, so I guess it's smarter than me. Wow, it's 1400 watts. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of power. So when I'm at Anchor, I guess I will not be using this because it's 1400 watts. So yeah, it's probably 5 preset IQ auto IQ programs, and let's get to the unboxing. So so anyway, so I just got this from Best Buy today. Apparently I had to change, my doctor said I had to change my diet, and I need to eat more fruits and vegetables, and I don't like cooking all that much for myself. I like cooking for others, but I don't like cooking for myself very much. So I'd rather just do stuff up in the blender, just raw fruits and vegetables and stuff. So this will not open. Why do they make packaging so difficult to open? Okay. Alright, so got the open the box. Holy crap. There's a lot of crap in here. So broccoli soup. I thought you couldn't do hot and cold stuff. Orange blush smoothies, and I guess you can do tacos in here too. Oh wow. So a quick start guide. Throw that here, and then I guess this is a blade, some sort of a chopper. It's a plastic chopper blade, so I don't know what it will be used for. So then we got one of the cups, one of the 42 ounce cups or something. We got the lid. We've got the 72 ounce blender thing, pitcher. Okay, we've got another cup, empty cup, personal cup, individual. Shit. And we got the food processor bowl thing. And then we got, oh shit, this is gonna be heavy. And then we're gonna get the motor out. And then we got the motor. Okay, all right. Let's get this all set down. Oh, then we got another lid in here somewhere. Okay, let's is there anything underneath? Nope. Okay, so we got the motor. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Okay, got the motor. We got the 72 ounce chopper thing, blender. Oops. Got the 72 ounce blender thing. Just like that. Okay. So let's go that way. Let's go this way. There we go. Done. And then we have the chopper blade down here. This is a chopper blade. Yep. Chopper blade. Since it do some serious damage to your hand. Okay, and then I didn't get the spaghetti thing. I think I got the wrong one. Oh no. Oh shit, I think I got the wrong one. I think I was supposed to get one that came with a spaghetti cola and all that sort of stuff. Or maybe this is the wrong one. And I can buy those extras. I really don't make cod vegetables. Got the lid. And release. And then arrows, the arrows. Oh wow, look at that. Woo! We got quick start guide. And then we got the cup. One of the cups with the blender blade in it already. It's a what's how many mils of this? 24 ounces, 710 mils. This is another lid to the other cup, I guess. Oh no, this is the lid to this cup. It's a lid, and then this is this must be for the other one, the food processor, for cutting, maybe cutting up dough or something, or mixing dough. I know what this one is. And we have another 24 ounce cup with the lid already attached, so I can make my smoothies and just, or whatever I'm going to make, my juices, and just go straight to work. And then we have the food processor part, which is this one here, which has got blades in it. Release this. Oh, this would be great for making hummus. Pouring my olive oil through slowly. I can make put my tahini in there, my garbanzo beans. I can make hummus. Yes, absolutely. And then this will unclip like that. This one will clip like that. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. It's good. Make pizza dough in this apparently. And then this one, well, this one just goes on top like that. Wow. Okay, bzzz, just nail it and then take it off. Oh wow, that's cool. So, yeah, I gotta start it up yet, and I think I'm going to do a video on that. Take the lid off it. I gotta wash all this, of course, so before I use it. There we go. Awesome. Great for making fruit margaritas with. I love it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, so this is the Ninja Professional Plus blender food processor that I bought today from Best Buy. It was on Amazon, but I found it $10 more on Best Buy, and I got it today. I didn't have to wait for it. So, and I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to. I think this is for the dough. I think this does the dough. So, how do you get the lid off? Put your phone in. So, yep. So, let's take the lid off. This is obviously the chopper blade for like chopping vegetables. And I'm figuring out that this one here is for mixing up dough. If you want to make pizza dough or any type of bread dough, I think. It says something here, and it says something, but I can't read it. I need glasses. I don't know, it says something in Spanish or French, I don't know what to say. So then this will go in there, and then this one will go on top. I just buy some extra accessories. I might get those extra things for it to make spaghetti, make it's called a spiola or something. I don't know. I saw it online. I might get a few more of these. I might get like 2 more of these cup things. So if I could take like 1 savory and 1 dessert meal to work. So yeah, that's the Ninja Professional food processor and blender. This is SY Sublime, Fair Winds, Temperate Seas, Sandy Toes. No, Fair Winds, Temperate Seas, Margaritas, and Sandy Toes. Catch you later.